everyone, and welcome to Pretty,
Sexy,
Healthy. Alright, so we're back with another magnetic eyelash tutorial or review and how to put them on. And previously we purchased the Glamnetic and those are kind of pricey, so we were looking for alternative and to see if these are any good. And so we're going to try them out and let you know how they work and if they're any good. We have the Arishine. And this comes with eyeliner and it's eyelash kit, and I think it's some tweezers in here. This one was like $19 on Amazon, and that's Kiss, and you can get those on Amazon as well.
We're gonna have to purchase the thing separately.
You can. They have a kit where it comes with a whole kit, the eyelashes and the eyeliner, but we chose to buy our eyeliner separately and to choose our own eyelashes because the kit comes with like specific eyelashes that I don't really care for. So we're gonna show you guys how this works now and if they're any good. It's a cheaper version, and if they're any good, we shall recommend you get some. Okay, so I just open the back, and this says. Yeah, anyway, it comes with 3 sets of different eyelashes, and it comes with the eyeliner and some tweezers, which I'm not sure if they're metal or not. But whatever, we're gonna see. I don't really ever use the tweezers anyway. You can if you want to. It's easier for me to just use my fingers when I put on eyelashes. So she's gonna do hers and I'm gonna do mine.
Okay. Oh, I already messed up. But this is just for the eyelashes.
Oh, there's a lot of eyeliner in this one. It comes out like so good.
I always put a lot. No, I'm just horrible.
And you probably need to use a good amount so you can get that iron oxide out. Especially if you want them to stick all day, you're gonna want to use a good amount. You don't want to do it really thin. Liner.
Yeah, just a little bit, and then we'll stick it on. So I can put it on wet, right?
I wouldn't recommend it, but you can try it. Alright, she's drying hers. So I'm gonna dry mine too. It shouldn't take that long. And let's see how this goes. I'm gonna see which ones I want to try out.
Whoa, I dropped my eyelash, y'all. And it stuck to the middle of the table. I thought I dropped it on the
Well,
floor.
that proves it works, right?
Well, I was about to say. Well, this really sticks to the middle. I'm really not gonna say.
So this has 3. It has I don't know. I'm just gonna choose some. Alright. So as you can see, I put these off, and it's still like this little strip here. I guess that's the strip, like a metal strip that it sticks to. And on this one, it seems to have come off a little bit. So don't rely on those to stick, because those are kind of need some better glue. But all of these come off, and they all have 5 magnetic strips on them. Magnetic pieces.
I'm back now. Eyelashes, but
So mine are working pretty good. Look at
these
that.
ones on. Look, can I put it on there?
It looks good to me for now.
Just try to put them on because I'm not gonna get put on eyelashes.
Either.
Do not
That's what
judge
makes
me.
these great. Especially we don't even have our mirror right here, so that is making things a little
More difficult.
yeah. Look at that, they just popped on like whatever. Look, and they're stuck, like they don't even come up. You see that? Yeah. These ones seem kind of little. I want the longer ones on. So that was the smaller ones that I chose from the package. I'm gonna try to put on the longer ones that they have here. So that was the top row.
I think I need to put a little bit more.
I'm going to use this row. See you guys, like how that's coming off? But otherwise, these seem to be pretty decent for
Don't judge when I put on the eyeliner. Please.
$20. And you get 3 eyelashes. 3 choices. Okay. She's looking for something. I don't know what.
I dropped it again.
The eyelash?
Yes, it was just on the table.
Oh,
I messed up, you guys.
it might be sticking to something.
What did I do? Anyway, y'all, this one eyelashes enough. Dramatic.
So this works.
We do. I just need to put them a little bit more down, obviously, so you can kind of see
So
that.
Arishine magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit.
Okay, look at that. Look at that difference. This one?
So just wanted to show you that there's alternative options out here for a cheaper price than the magnetic one that we have, and you get more choices. The Kiss ones, just eyelashes, they were how much? $7.99 or $8.99, and then same for the eyeliner, so you can get the two products for $20 or under.
And it just sticks right back on when you're done using them for the day.
Yeah, so let me see.
You don't have to worry about like putting them somewhere because they stick right back on.
And if not, hey, you better have you somewhere to put them. Get your piece of metal, I don't know. And that just comes right off and sticks back on. If these come off, I just recommend you just glue them back on so you can have somewhere to put your eyelashes at. Alright then, guys, that was our review for magnetic eyelashes, Arishine and the Kiss brand. Okay, and these are crowd pleaser if you like those. And we also have some charm ones that we didn't show you, but they're kind of thinner than the ones you just tried on. You guys like and subscribe, follow,
Share, you guys already know what to do, like.
yes, shout us out at Pretty Sexy Healthy, and we'll be back with another product to show you guys, tutorial video, yes, to show you guys, and keep watching. Thank you, and goodbye, see ya.